Hey guys, welcome back to Hardware Unboxed. Today I've got something a little different for you. It's a fun build around the GTX 1080 using some extremely cool hardware and the supporting cast. Now this video was supposed to be ready to go out with my original 1080 content, but I've been absolutely snowed in, so it's a little late to the party. Sorry. Now, onto these awesome components that'll be going into the build. The backbone of the build is this awesome little micro ATX motherboard from ASRock, the Z170 OC formula. This is an amazing board and one that's really popular with serious overclockers, not to mention it looks cool. This would obviously look unreal in a Bumblebee black and yellow theme build. You can grab this board for $200 in the USA or around $390 from online retailers in Australia. Obviously this isn't the most affordable Z170 motherboard getting around, but for unrivaled overclocking performance, this is the board to get. I've been running it with some of G.Skill's DDR4 4266 memory without any issues. For this build log though, I used slightly less extreme memory. I selected a 2-stick 16GB kit of HyperX Savage DDR4 with the black heatsinks, which I have to say looks pretty badass on this motherboard too. Cooling the CPU is the Silverstone Tundra series TD02E liquid cooler, which does a great job of keeping temps under control. In Australia, you can pick this one up for about $120 and it's about $90 in the USA, so pretty great value here. Powering this build is Silverstone Strider Titanium Series ST80F Ti, which is an 800 watt PSU that will have plenty of power to spare running this build. This thing is 80 plus titanium rated and you can get it for $255 down under or for $170 freedom dollars in the US. For our storage drive, I've selected the high performance Western Digital Black 6TB hard drive, which you can pick up for $430 in Australia or just under $300 in the USA. For our operating system drive, we have a Crucial SSD installed. Lastly, housing all of this epic hardware is the beautiful Lian Li PC08 Full ATX case in the black colorway. This is a pretty cool and unique looking case with classy glass panels, and it also comes with some good quality RGB light strips that you can install if you want to. The price reflects its quality, and for the privilege of putting your hardware inside, it'll cost you around 500 Australian dollars or 360 US dollars. That about wraps up everything going into the system. Now sit back and enjoy the build. Thanks for watching my first 1080 build video. I think it's a pretty cool looking system. I know the parts are a bit random and you could certainly get the same performance from a less expensive system, but I had these cool bits and pieces laying around and was dying to do a 1080 build. I reckon it looked best with the RGB set to purple, but it would have been nice if I could have made the whole build black, purple and yellow themed. To see exactly what kind of gaming performance you can expect from this beast, please check out my GTX 1080 review and GTX 1080 overclocking videos at these two links. What do you guys think of this Leon Lee case? What colour would you be setting the RGBs to? Let me know in the comments. I'm your host Matt as always, and I'll see you guys next time. YouTubers like me depend on your support to continue improving the quality and content of our videos. To support the channel directly, consider becoming a patron to also get access to a heap of cool rewards and exclusive giveaways. Also, don't forget you can check prices and buy the products I looked at in this video through the Amazon links in the video description below. Thank you kindly for supporting me and the Hardware Unboxed channel. It means a lot to me and I really do appreciate it, and in return I'll continue to work as hard as I can to keep producing the content you enjoy.